Sketches are the fundamental building blocks in all SOLIDWORKS features. Features build upon each other to create your model. You can think of features like Legos. Each one has a size, shape, and location. Those features can be combined together to create anything you can imagine. However, it all starts with a sketch, and sketching is the most important skill in SOLIDWORKS. Before we can start sketching, let's learn about the drawing environment. First, we'll start by navigating and working in the 3D space. You can see here I've got several of the planes turned on. Over here on the left, you can see we have 3 fundamental planes, and that's our fundamental building block where we're going to start our very first sketch to start building our model. I have them all turned on, and I can turn them on or off by clicking on with my left mouse button, and I get this little in-context window that pops up, so I can either start a sketch, I can hide or show the plane. So in this case here, I'm just going to hide it, and I can do the same thing for all those by clicking with my left mouse button and click on the goggles. And just hide all those. They have a blank workspace. But a lot of times when you're first getting started in SOLIDWORKS, kind of hard to visualize, so it's better to kind of turn those on, or at least turn 1 or 2 of them on, so you can see where you're actually going to be drawing and starting with when you first get started. The other thing I can show is the origin. The origin is really important. That's kind of the center of our world. We got to make sure we're tying into the origin because that's the only place that SOLIDWORKS really knows where it is at this point in time. So make sure you are showing the origin, or at least using the origin, but you can hide it if you need to, and go back and forth. The other thing is up here under the View tab, notice here's all the different things I can see in my world. So if I hide planes, I don't see anything at all. So just in case you're looking at your environment and you're not seeing the planes, make sure you go up to View and make sure you're showing planes. Make sure you're also showing origins. When you're ready to get started, you're going to choose one of these planes, for instance, the right plane or the front plane. Click on it, and then you can come up here to Start a Sketch here, or you come up here to the Sketch tab, click on Sketch, or you can even click on one of those planes here, and the very first icon is Sketch. If you do that, it spins it around, so you're looking straight at that plane, and now you're in the sketch mode. You know you're in the sketch mode because over here on the right-hand upper corner, you see you have 2 icons. One here is called Exit Sketch, and the other one's Cancel. Most of the time, you're going to be using the Exit Sketch button. When you're done with your sketch, you want to get back into the modeling environment, click on that. If you want to cancel everything you did, go ahead and click on the red X. Let's go back to the environment and spin it around. And if things get a little bit out of whack, you can always click on this first icon here to zoom to fit, which puts it right in the center of the screen so you can straight at your model and you're ready to start building. You should now understand how to interact with the drawing environment and their relevance and the origin in the 3 fundamental planes.